Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you an open diamond wrap, and that's where the center of the diamond wrap is going to have a diamond that shows the rod blank underneath it. I already laid it out. I'm not going to waste everybody's time with how to lay it out process, because we've already done that in the other video. You can see the video on how to lay out the diamond wrap in the other video that I have. But in this one, I left a 1 centimeter diamond that's going to be in the center of the wrap. As usual, we staggered them, and we're just going to get right into the video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep doing new techniques. We'll do the fade diamond wrap coming up. We got a bunch of cool wraps and stuff coming up that we're going to be doing, some new designs and stuff. But we're going to just jump right into this one. I already laid it out. We have plenty of that purple and pink thread. I don't use it much, and it shows up good on the camera, so we're going to use it for these types of videos. And we're just going to get started. We're going to start out on our first dot, grab our first dot on the next one, and we're just going to keep going. They should fall pretty good. Sometimes it's a little tricky getting your stuff to lay out right, but you spend the extra time laying it out and they do really look good. Now when we come back, we're going to come back and cross on the line we just did. We want to hit all those marks. Okay, now this time we're going to hit the other dot or other marker. Okay, as you can see right here, that's going to be stay there, that open blank. So we're going to come right back around and follow the same pattern we did the first time. We're going to come right back around and we're going to follow the same pattern we did the first time. We want to be on the outside of our diamond. Do not go on the inside of your diamond or you'll close it off. So you want to be on the outside of this first thread that you put on, because that diamond will stay now. And we're not going to close it in. Let's do one more set of purple. So that's it. Literally all that is only 2 wraps. So we'll go with 3 wraps quick. All right, that's our 3 wraps. Now I would recommend tighten them up. tighten your threads up. This is time consuming, I know, but if you tighten them up as you do them, you'll be thankful later on. I'm not going to go through and go nuts with it because it's just a demonstration video, but you do want to get all the gaps out of there as you go. Spend the time. It's tedious work, but you really want to keep all these threads. And you got to be careful. You will knock your diamonds out of whack if you don't do it right. All right, so that is 3 wraps of purple. Let's throw some pink on here, and then it'll start accenting it, and you can see what's going on better. All right, that's 1 wrap. We did 3 of the purple, so let's do 4 of the pink. We're not going to go nuts on this wrap, but I do want you to see how it looks as it starts to build the layers, because it's just diamonds everywhere. The big diamond here will start getting smaller, and you'll end up with 2 of the same size diamonds. Okay, that's our 4 passes of the pink. So now we are going to just put some tape on this so that this can't unravel. And then, like I said, I recommend tightening all your threads up. But for this video, I'm not getting into too much detail because you can spend hours doing it, but you really want to keep them as tight as possible. Oops, see. We do want to keep them as tight as possible without doing what I just did. But you can see the diamond wrap coming out, and then you got another diamond on the other side of it. I like to stop when those diamonds are about the same size. You can close those diamonds right off so that there's only one prominent diamond too. So I mean, there's so many different options you can do with this thing. So that's what we're gonna keep on spinning, and then we'll show you the finished product. But you get the gist of how it goes right now. You can see the pattern working itself in, and now you can adjust and do different things. You can go with 1 wrap, and then go with 2 wraps, and then go with 1 wrap, and then 3 wraps. I mean, there's just so much you can do with it. Some of them I do 3 colors on. Some I do 4 colors. I did one of these, a fade wrap just like this, and it was actually 9 colors. I started out with black, went to a lighter black to a darker gray, all the way down to lighter till it ended up white, and it started, the diamond faded from black to white. Customer, I never knew how to make this wrap. The customer sent me a picture of this type of pattern. He said, "Can you make that?" And I said, "Never have, but I'm sure I can." And I did end up doing it on that rod. They were happy, I was happy. That's why I love rod building. It's always something new. And I do not document them, so that every rod I do is one of a kind. I don't have, okay, this measurement. I don't do that. Now, if you didn't want this diamond to be this big, I used 1 centimeter for my center point, but I mean, you could have used 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters. It's all on what your preference and how you wanted it to look. It all depends on the rod diameter, what kind, yeah, I mean, what look you're going for. Certain diameters is a lot harder to do with bigger, and bigger ones are harder to do. Bigger diameter rods are harder to do to smaller diamonds too. All right, I'm gonna stop it right there because my diamonds right here are all about the same size. Put a piece of tape here so that can't unravel. Yeah. Now you could keep going. You can keep going and make end up closing off this. See, this is our prominent diamond that we're going for right here. This is like the scrap in between our diamonds. This is our prominent, this is our prominent, this is our prominent. You can keep going and close this diamond all the way in and just make this into one big diamond. I have done that before, but this comes out pretty good like this. It's not a bad wrap. You end up with a ton of diamonds. But like I said, you can close all this in. See, here's the prominent diamond. If you keep going, you'll close all that in on all these sides of this. But that's our open diamond wrap. You know, you gotta keep going through and tightening up your threads and stuff before you epoxy it. But that's it. I mean, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this helps some people out. It's just another type of wrap. It's real easy to do, and I hope it helps somebody. Leave a comment, let me know. We'll try a diamond fade wrap coming soon. You can fade wrap this. Start out with 9 or 6 or 5, whatever, and then go to 4 of one of the next color. And I'll do a fade wrap in the diamond pattern soon. But I want to come up show you some new patterns. I've been working with these same patterns for a while. But thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one.